Good evening and selamat sejahtera to Dr. Boon. My name is Muhammad Emir. Today I want to present about the commercial craft paper manufacturing process. For the introduction, craft pulping is the most popular type of chemical pulping, accounting for approximately 80% of the overall chemical pulping industry. Kraft pulping is the process of digesting wood chips in white liquor at high temperature and pressure. White liquor is sodium sulfide and sodium hydroxide of water solution. Kraft pulping is a long-lasting machine produce paper composed mostly of wood pulp. Unlike other papers, Kraft may be made from any sort of wood or non-wood, including resinous pine, bamboo, and agri residues. Kraft paper is famous for its thickness and its strength, and as a result, it is greatly. It has a high tear resistant and contains strongly aligned fibers. For the paper manufacturing process based on four-denier machine. Four-denier machine is a machine used to make a paper board, and other fiber boards. The first machine is to generate a continuous web, which is a roll, was designed in France in 1799 by Louis Robert and later modified in England, where it was planted by Henry and Sally Fourdrinier. That's a little bit introduction about this machine. For the process, it has four primary sections, which is wet end, wet press section, dry section, and calender section. For the wet end, pulp is mixed with water as well as additional fillers and additive, and then pumped into a bell. This bell is typically made of mesh that encourage of the fibers to go on in one direction. Much like wood paper has a grain direction, the orientation of the fiber on this belt dictates the grain direction of the paper. For the wet section, the pulp moves off the mesh belt onto a felt bed, while the felt used to be made of wood. For the drier section, once the pulp enters the dry section, it has started to take the shape of the paper. Despite of the machine with the web of paper through a series of head rollers. Felt belts are also used in this part of the machine to give the moisture in the paper somewhere to go. For the last section, which is a calender section, the last part of the machine is called calender section. It uses roller mounted opposite of each other, which is up and down, to put pressure on the paper and create a smooth finishing. The more of these rollers there are, the smoother the paper will be. I think that's all from me. Thank you.